And now I'm going to show you another strengthening stretch. This is very powerful. So don't think this little movement doesn't matter. If you're in chronic pain, we need to strengthen some of the muscles of your neck because a lot of times that's leading to your headaches and also numbness and tingling and pain down the arm. So I'm going to turn sideways and I'm going to show you what the positioning is. I call it chicken neck. Remember, we're on the couch. This is not chair yoga. This is couch yoga. But what it really is it's physical therapy. So I teach my patients who have a lot of neck pain to go ahead and jut your chin out. You want to be on a plane line, even, but it's more important that as you come back, you're holding the position, you've got a good posture with your chin, and you're holding and pulling back. Where you're going to feel it is in your lower neck and upper mid back. You're really going to feel it. So again, jutting out and pulling back, holding, 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 and breathing. Holding, if you can, to the count of 5 with good posture, shoulders down and back, and breathing. I lovingly call that strengthening and stretching, but it's mostly strengthening chicken neck.